Today we're going to make a milk avocado chocolate mousse. It will be a very easy recipe. We have just only 4 ingredients and it is so nourishing, it is so delicious. As usual, as all my recipes, there is no gluten, no soy, no refined sugar, no eggs, no dairy, no artificial colorants, so you will never find these ingredients into my recipes. Let's make milk chocolate avocado mousse. I'm going to make a mousse with only 1 medium avocado, so you can see the size is like my hand, yeah, like this. And that is why I see that the quantity will be not so big, so that's why I don't use my Vitamix. I'm going to use something smaller that can process such quantity of ingredients. Let's open our avocado. Avocado should be soft. So soft, ripe, because you will eat it right now. Then I add cacao powder, and you need to love your cacao powder. I always use raw cacao powder, unprocessed, not roasted, and it gives me more chocolate flavor, more like dark, rich chocolate flavor. I add maple syrup and some milk. You can add any milk that you have in your refrigerator. Recently I made a nice video by explaining why oat milk, rice milk are not the best for you and why I don't use soy milk, so you can find it in this video. And also I have on this channel how to make hazelnut milk, how to make almond milk or any other nut or seed milks. And also this is a very sweet and delicious, naturally sweet, by cashews, cashew milk that I made without using any nut bags. Just 2 minutes and you have this amazing bottle of cashew milk, creamy and delicious. It's also like 20% fatty cashew milk, and I explained it in another video how to make it. So let's pour some milk. Let's see the texture and also help our blender to blend everything by scooping everything down from the walls. Let's continue. How to understand that it is ready and completely smooth? I see the green dots, so these are pieces of avocado. Once they disappear, it means that it has a very nice and creamy consistency. I still have some pieces of avocado, so I want to continue. So just a little bit more, also scrubbing down second time, and let's continue. That is all. In this stage, you need to grab a spoon and taste your avocado mousse. What can you feel? What can you like or don't like? I will tell you right now how to adjust it to your taste. Grab a spoon and check it. So if you feel a lot of avocado, so you feel avocado aftertaste, in this situation you can add extra cacao powder. But in this case, the taste will be more like a dark chocolate mousse. If you anyway want to adjust it, please add cacao powder, like start adding by 1-2 teaspoons, blend and taste. So if you added like 10 grams of cacao powder, you don't feel avocado, but for you it's too rich, it's too chocolatey, too dark chocolatey, for example, for your kids. In this situation, you can add a sweetener, but I do not recommend you to add more than like 1 tablespoon. It's 15-20 milligrams of liquid sweetener, because otherwise it will be too liquid. In my situation, you can see it has like a beautiful color of milk chocolate mousse. Let's serve it right now. Also, please remember, if you refrigerate it, it will be more thick. How to make it flat, so don't need to stir it with a spoon, so just shake it a little bit. how I want to decorate this milk chocolate pudding. So for myself, I would decorate it with some fresh berries. So I just want to put some kind of raspberries. Also, if you made my granola, please sprinkle it with the granola. It will be also amazing. Granola is without any syrups. It is made with dates, with banana, with nut butter, so it's no sugar added. So you can use it here like an additional crunchy moment, and it will be absolutely amazing. And for my son, who will come from a kindergarten, I want to surprise him with this pudding. It will be first time he will be trying it, because I made it last time many years ago, and it was just idea of my followers on Instagram to make this mousse. So and recently I made the chocolate buckwheat chocolate chips cookies, and he enjoyed it. I can show you how he enjoyed it. So he bite it from different sides, and I just want to put it inside. So when he will come, instead of traditional yogurt that he eats after kindergarten, I will offer for him this like new dessert. He loves chocolate a lot, and he prefers like more sweet desserts, not dark chocolate, so it can be something new for him, and especially if it's inside his favorite cookies, it would be amazing. So this is the way how you can incorporate more healthy fats into your diet and into the diet of your kids. Also, I want to answer probably the most common question that I expect under this video: if it's possible to avoid maple syrup or any liquid sweetener and use dates. Of course, you can do it, and I made such creams for little kid cakes very often when you incorporate dates, when moms ask to use only natural sweeteners. But you need to know that dates, first of all, they create absolutely different texture for your mousse. It will not be so silky, so creamy that is like melting into your mouth like it is right now here. Also, it's very hard to reach milk chocolate taste with dates. Anyway, it will be more dark chocolate, because again it's like not possibility, it's like when you want to find the balance between hiding avocado taste, not having like a main date taste, and not covering everything with the cacao powder by making it very dark, very rich, very chocolate. Anyway, if you need such recipe from me with only dates, and if you are okay to expect that it will not be milk chocolate mousse, but it will be sweetened with only dates, please write below. I would be happy to share with you this recipe, and maybe it's time to make some kind of cake that will be sweetened with only dates. It's also like an idea. That is all. Please enjoy this recipe, and you can see that the texture is absolutely amazing. Can you imagine it into any restaurant or cafe? Of course you can modify it. So instead of water, you can add your favorite coffee, and it will be coffee milk chocolate mousse. You can add some of orange juice. It will be milk chocolate orange chocolate mousse. You can add some chia seeds, but probably the water quantity should be increased. So it's a very interesting recipe. This is a basic recipe, and in general on my channel I'm trying to give you in each recipe, in each last my recipes of this year 2025, you may see that always I write like formula recipe. I give you a basic, and then please turn on your imagination and create your own flavors. Thank you for being with me, and if you ever make any of my desserts from this channel, please tag me my plan cake, and I will be very happy to see your creations.